can I help you?
Hello, I would like a table for four, please.
Of course. Please follow me. Here is the table for you.
Thank you. Could you give us the money, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Can I give you anything to drink? I just want for me. I have a lemonade. I have a music. I have an orange juice.
Wait, I'll be right back. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I have the grilled chicken and a salad.
Would you like a starter, ma'am?
Yes, I like the vegetable soup for starter. I like the vegetable sauce for the main course. I like the green fish. I have the chicken soup and the salmon. It smells so great. I'm so hungry and I want to eat, but the soup is so hot. I can really touch it. Why? For it to cool down before you eat it. The grilled chicken tasty delicious once it cold. The grilled chicken tasty delicious once it cold. Yes, that is best again. Your lasagna, I love it. It's my favorite dish. Great! How's your fish, Mom? It's excellent. I'm so glad we come to this restaurant. Could you please pass me that? So glad we come to this restaurant. Could you please pass me the cell phone? Here we are, Mom. Thank you.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was wonderful. Thank you.
Would you like something for dessert?
Yes, for dessert I have ice cream, please. I have the chocolate cake. I have ice cream. I have the cheesecake, please.
Everything looks great. Let's eat the dessert.
Dad, I'm thirsty. I would like to drink some water. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
Would you bring my son a glass of water, please?
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
Can I bring you anything else?
Yes, of course.
No, thank you. Just the bill.
Okay, so I will be right back with the bill.
Yes.
May I take your order?
Yes, I like a hamburger, french fries, and a salad, please.
Anything else?
A coke, please.
For here or to go?
For here.
It costs $6.
Here you are.
Okay. Thank you, and here's your order.
Thank you.
Hi, what will you have?
Hi, I have a double cheeseburger with fries. Please.
Would you like your cheeseburger with everything on it?
No onion, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a bottle of mineral water, please.
It's that.
Yes, that's it.
For here or to go,
To go.
it costs 7 to 25.
Here you are.
Here is your order.
Thank you. How's your food? The tortilla is very spicy, but I really like it. What about your hamburger? My hamburger has sweet flour is really yummy. I actually doesn't like spicy food. I can't stand the sweet flavor. I like it spicy and salty. So, do you eat fast food? Pretty often, about 3 times a week. And you? I really eat fast food on the Alamo. What is your favorite thing here? My favorite food is taco, but I'm also crazy about french fries, chicken and sandwich. It's so tasty. How about you? I prefer the chicken hamburger with fries and coke.